Okay, everybody, let's do a warm-up song.
Like to make music.
With you, I like to make music. Yes, I do. I like to make music. Let's sway. I like to make music. Yes, I do. Come on, everybody. With you. Ready?
Clap my hands.
Clap, clap, clap. Again.
My hands.
Clap, clap, clap. I like to make music. And then we'll sway. I like to make music with you. Ready? Pat your knees. I can pat my knees. I can clap my hands. I can clap my hands. I like to make music.
Yes, I do.
I like to make music.
With you, I can.
This is funny. Cluck your tongue.
Yes, I can.
Ready? What's next?
Here
we go. Let's pat our knees. And I can clap my hands. I can clap my hands. I like to make music. Yes, I do. I like to make music. With you, I can pop my lips. Here we go. You say pop, or you can blow a kiss. All right, let's cluck.
Yes, I can.
Now our knees.
Pat my knees. Pat, pat, pat. I can pat.
Pat our knees.
Pat, pat, pat. And I can clap
My hands.
clap, clap, clap.
Let's clap our hands.
Clap, clap, clap.
I like to make music. Can you sing? I like to make music with you. Good job, everybody. All right, I have a good rain song. Do you know the Itsy Bitsy Spider? Yes, great. I have a couple versions. We're gonna do the first version, the one that everybody knows. If you can put your spider fingers like this, so you're gonna take your thumb and you're gonna put it to your pinky. And that way your fingers go back and forth. All right, I'm gonna count you in like I usually do. 1, 2, ready, sing. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Now we're gonna blow up our spider. We're gonna have a great big spider. Use all your hands. The great big spider went up the water spout. Make your voice nice and low. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the great big spider went up the spout again. Good job. Okay, now my favorite one, the teeny tiny little bitty baby spider. The teeny tiny spider went up the water spout. Make your voice high. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the teeny tiny spider went up the spout again. Good job, everybody. That was great. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a rain stick. A rain stick is a very, very old instrument. And people who lived in dry areas where there wasn't a lot of rain or water would shake the rain stick in hopes that the rain would come. Now, all you need is a tube. Any kind of tube will do. Anything you find in your house will work. And then you're going to use some seeds or some beans or some macaroni. And then you're going to decorate it. I've got some string and some feathers and some pom-poms and all kinds of things. So I'm gonna make my rain stick, and I hope you'll make your rain stick too, and then we'll do a rain song.